Ethereum is once again in the spotlight as we look ahead to 2025, and investors are asking the big question. Can ETH reach new all-time highs, or are we heading for a major pullback? According to analysts, Ethereum's price trajectory is sitting at a crossroads. On one hand, recent performance has been strong, with ETH showing resilience above key support zones, benefiting from growing institutional interest, Layer 2 adoption, and Ethereum's evolving role in the broader blockchain ecosystem. But on the other hand, macroeconomic headwinds, network congestion concerns, and shifting sentiment could bring turbulence before any sustained breakout occurs. So, let's break it down. As of now, Ethereum is trading just above $3,700, a level that many believe is critical. If ETH can hold above this zone and gain momentum, analysts see a path toward $4,500 and potentially $5,000, driven by demand for smart contracts, staking rewards, and broader use of DeFi protocols. Another key driver is Ethereum's unique position as a deflationary asset. Thanks to EIP 1559, Ethereum now burns a portion of transaction fees, gradually reducing supply over time. Combine that with staking mechanisms and upcoming upgrades, and the long-term fundamentals are looking bullish. But not everyone is convinced. Some experts warn that ETH's recent run-up may be overheated, especially if broader market conditions shift. Concerns about US inflation, interest rate adjustments, and regulatory uncertainty could weigh on crypto as a whole, including Ethereum. There's also the issue of competition, with networks like Solana, Avalanche, and newer chains like Sui and Aptos gaining traction. Ethereum's dominance in the smart contract space is being challenged. Gas fees, while lower than in the past, still remain a sticking point for many users. That said, Ethereum still holds a massive edge in terms of developer ecosystem, TVL, and real-world adoption. Major institutions are building on it. DeFi, NFTs, and tokenized assets continue to rely on its infrastructure. And with continued Layer 2, scaling via platforms like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base ETH, may yet defy the doubters. So, what's the bottom line? Ethereum's forecast for 2025 remains cautiously optimistic. However, any major market correction, regulatory blowback, or technical bottleneck could delay that path or send ETH back to retest lower levels. For now, all eyes remain on Ethereum's price action and the upcoming catalysts that could define its next big move. We'll be tracking it closely, right here on Cryptozard News Today.